today's episode of French with Grace. In the last episode, French 301, we discussed about the personal pronouns in French. Please, if you are just joining us, kindly check the previous video. Yes, the personal pronoun entails I, you, he or she, we, you, and they in French. The way we say those things in French. Kindly check our last video for that. Thank you. In today's episode, due to demand of our subscribers, a lot of our subscribers has requested that we treat the topic l'alphabet français, that is the French alphabet in French. So that is why we'll be treating l'alphabet français today, the French alphabet. And I'm going to be tagging it as French 4. French 4. So let's go. The French alphabet is still the 26th alphabet we have, just like the English alphabet. We also have 26 alphabets. The pronunciation is just the difference. The pronunciation in the French alphabet is only different from the one in the English alphabet, but we still have the 26th alphabet. At the end of this class, I'll be teaching us a song with the French alphabet. I hope you stay tuned till the end. Thank you. So the French alphabet, we start with A. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, J, J. Looking at J, J is G in English, isn't it? But our own G will be pronounced as J in French. Est-ce que c'est clair? J, H, H, E, E, and our J will be G, G, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, L, L, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Do we understand? So we'll be repeating our alphabet all over again. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So I'll be teaching us a song with this alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Maintenant, je les connais, toutes les lettres de l'alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Maintenant, je les connais, toutes les lettres de l'alphabet.
I'm teaching us a song with this alphabet. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you for viewing today. I hope you enjoyed our class. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big thumb up by liking our video. Don't forget to drop your questions in our comment section, and all your opinions are welcome as well. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. See you next class. Au revoir.